time for the bell. How many options will you sell? Fire up your platform, get ready to enter. But first, let's get the mindset centered. Hey, let's go. We're not here to gamble, we're here to trade. We follow the plan, that's how we get paid. Testing, trading, have success. Find what works for you and forget the rest. Stats and probabilities is what we're about. Time to dismiss greed and doubt. Focus on the process, not the money. And the profits will flow like honey. Power Hour Live, let's start the show. Come on, trade hackers, get ready to go. 0-day options, time to make bank. Get locked and loaded, then be ready to blank. Hey!
Hey everyone, welcome to Power Hour Live, Wednesday, August 27th. Sorry for my tardiness. I was watching the market, didn't realize what time it was. S&P is up 12, NASDAQ is up 5, Russell up 14, Dow up 155. Gold is up about 0.5%, silver pretty much unchanged, notes, bonds, and yields pretty unchanged, 10-year yields down about 0.25%. Oil's up 1, natty gas up 3. Soybeans, wheat, and corn all finished red. Euro and the pound are close to unchanged, mixed. Bitcoin up almost 1%. Ethereum down 1%. VIX up 2%, just under 15, currently at 14.94. I ended up entering a late morning BIC because I had forgot to turn my BICs on, and that ended up getting double stopped. And then after the action, I only did one more tranche and the low premiums, and that has been single stopped. So just 2 tranches today. I'm down about 1,800 on my BICs. DDBs got smoked on the put side on that flush 10 minutes ago. I am in a 1 DTE, which was not a good idea. I wasn't planning to trade it, and I just didn't. I kind of thought the NVIDIA earnings was kind of the weight being put towards it wasn't what it has been, so I went ahead and entered one, and it never saw green. This little down move is helping it, but it's still in the red. I will close that out shortly. Let's see, what else? Day trading has been good. My day trades. Why is my mouse running slow? There we go. Day trades been good. I had one loser in Amazon this morning. Had a winner in Bank of America. I had some puts in coin. I've still got one left. Caught that flush in coin, so that helped. Microsoft was a nice winner, MSTR and SPY, so plus 2,500 on the day trades. There's where I stand with the discount double BIC. My 1 DTE is currently down about 530. I did do a 6-7 put calendar too. I didn't post it just because it's not kind of my normal one. It's actually up a little bit. I think that is it for me. Chadwick, how's your day? Chad, I think you have a mic issue maybe? Or maybe it's my audio switched on me.
Can you guys hear me loud and clear?
Yep, you're good. Sorry. It was
all right.
My Discord flipped my audio on me. Go ahead.
Gotcha. Yeah, this morning I had to go to the Clay County Sheriff at 9 o'clock, so couldn't.
What'd you do? What'd you do wrong?
I had to get my conceal and carry license renewed. It expired in 4 days.
I thought there was no conceal and carry in Missouri anymore.
Well, you don't have to, but you can still have a permit. You kind of want a permit, I think, if anything happens, but they only renew it between 9 and 3 p.m. So I thought, NVIDIA earnings day would be the day, probably morning to go. So I went to that. So I didn't get back until like 9:30, 9:45. And just didn't really see anything. I just didn't enter in anything because I was considering early this afternoon some layered umbrella trades like I'd done the last couple days, but premiums got to be so
small.
So small. So up until about, let's see, 15 minutes ago, I hadn't entered anything all day. On this big down move and the VIX spike, premiums got juiced. I launched a trade steward Wooga. And it is currently up 11%. Just because a lot of times you get these big moves, like we had that big move up at 110 and then it just chopped. And we had this big move down and now it's just chopping. So that was my hope. Since I hadn't entered anything, I was like, I'll enter a little Wooga here, see if I can catch some quick theta decay. And yeah, up 12% now. So that's it.
I forgot to mention I did do one Elmo, which I haven't done any in over a week. And that one hit profit target. Put that one on at 10.52, so that would have been 9:52 my time. So right in this consolidation area. Yeah, it had that little flush and then bounced and then kind of chopped a little bit. So right in here. And I hit a profit target on that one, so that was good. So I am green on the day, even though DDBs got smoked and my BICs are going to end red due to my day trading.
You going to get that NVIDIA earnings play up or no?
Yes, sir. I'm going to do a bullish fly in NVIDIA.
Looking forward to this.
You going bearish?
I don't know if I'll do it. See what you come up with.
We are a few bucks under all-time highs. It hit 184.48 a couple weeks ago. It's currently at 181. We've got an expected move of a little over $11. It's currently at 181, so that puts it about 192 and change. There's a 192 half strike. I'd modeled this out earlier on the 195. Let me shift these down a strike. Yeah, so they're all 2.5 points wide. So 185, 192 half, 197 half. So it'd be something like this. Post that in the chat. Donna, are you requesting to speak? Or was that a mistake?
Never seen that before.
I haven't either. Nobody's ever requested to speak. I'm happy to let you speak, Donna. Oh, mistake. Darn it. All right. Well, if you want to speak later. In the chat, I guess. Only Chad and I can see it, but it says Donna has requested to speak. You must have hit that little button at the bottom. Anyway, this is what I'm going to trade in NVIDIA. So I'm going to try to get filled at $1.48. Would anybody else like to speak? Does anybody have anything important to say? dip in the indices got bought up pretty quickly. It's almost all the way back up to the top of that candle. I do not want the discount double stop for sure. Had some pretty decently wild price action in some of the stocks. Banks were up big, down big, up big. Same with crypto stocks, just all over the place. Robinhood's been pretty weak all day, down almost 5%. CoreWeave, which has been really weak lately, is up 6%. Big tech was kind of all over the place. Up and down. Chip stocks were probably the least wacky. I mean, just kind of trending upwards for the most part. No, Watson, you're not doing your sales presentation on me today. Oh my gosh. I used to, when I had my old office, before I bought this condo as my office, I was in a Regis office, which is basically all different businesses, in separate offices on a floor of a building. And there was literally a car warranty salesman in the office, a couple doors down, and he was really loud on the phone, and he did all of his sales calls on speakerphone. It was so all day long I got to hear him selling extended warranties. It was painful. And then on the going the other way down the hall, I had a marriage counselor. And so he would have people in his office, and so I'd get to hear couples like arguing back and forth. So that's what I had to listen to every day. Either a warranty salesman or a married couples bickering at each other. Which is one of the reasons I bought a condo to use as my office. It was fine once I closed my door, but if I left my office door open, I could hear. Oh yeah, he was a closer, Jonathan. He was a closer. He was aggressive. SPX still bouncing. NVIDIA bounced, but it's not aggressively bouncing. In fact, it's a little bit in the red.
What has NVIDIA done? It's gone down the last few times, hasn't it? Earnings?
Last earnings, it was pretty muted. Oh, wait, I guess that would be the next day. So it gapped up and then sold off for the next couple days.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And then the one before that looks like it gapped up and then sold off. One before that also gapped up and sold off.
Yeah. That's what I thought. It's due to go up.
The one before that just gapped down and kept going down. The one before that was a big gap up and go for a few weeks.
Yeah. So the last four, it's gone down.
Raised my order up to $1.51. filled at $1.51. Just posted that in the trade channel. Yeah, Django, you're in a Regis office? Yeah, if you, I don't know what you're paying, but what I just real because Regis kept raising the rent on me to the point where it was getting up to like, I think I was paying like almost $2,000 a month. And so I was like, I could literally buy a condo and own it, have my own kitchen, my own gym, my own pool. Just so I don't know if you have. I don't know if you have. I don't know what you do if you have people that you need like a conference room or something for, but very happy with my decision. $500 per month for 100 square feet. Holy moly! So basically a desk.
That's a little excessive.
100 square feet. I think mine was, oh my gosh, look at this rip. It's coming for my DDB calls. I had a pretty big office. It was like a corner office. It was pretty good size, but I don't remember what the square footage was. So my DDB calls are 64.85, which are right there, and 90. One of them at 85, the other three at 64.90. So not feeling too warm and fuzzy about these DDBs right now. Yeah, New Jersey, it's a little different market than Kansas City, too, I'm assuming. Depending on where you're at, I guess. We just don't want to discount double BIC. Discount double stop. Didn't see any kind of news flash on juice, financial juice, when the market was dipping. So just some selling going on. SPX looks like it's coming for our calls discount. Microsoft popped right back up towards highs of day. Discount has some hatred going on right now. You need to take care of those anger issues, discount. PLTR is still at lows of day. down about 3%. Circle bouncing off its lows. Robinhood is down almost 5%. SPX heading for highs.
Wants some more all-time highs.
Yeah, SPX hit a new all-time high today. 6487.03. NDX has not gotten back up to all-time highs, which was at 23,969. The Dow has not ticked above the all-time high that it hit on the 22nd, so last week. Oh man, I've still got my 1 DTE on. Bounce did not help that any. I was hoping it would flush and chop. Chad, did you keep your no stop trades on?
I closed my discretionary trade that I put on. I booked like 8% profit.
Five minutes till MOC. I'm going to do a little Mahomes today. See what that's trading at. I got to go on the put side. Put fly is on the 85 strike is trading for $1.80 already. Go ahead and work an 85 fly. See if we can get filled before MOC. My gut feeling is it rips through all-time highs. Chad, are you in the Nvidia trade?
Yep.
Same one I'm in?
Yep.
Okay. Going to the moon. Watson's trying to fade you. Discount's trying to fade us. At 85 flies, trading for close to $2 here. Looks like it may fill. We bounce up just a tad. Currently trading at 84. It's all around $2, really close. Got about 1 minute till MOC.
1 minute to go now to read the market on close imbalance data.
Come on, fill it. Fill it up.
Ten seconds. Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 48.9 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side 138 million. Going to now 388 million. Dow 30 buy side 98 million, and Mag 7 buy side 443 million.
Did not fill before it bounced up, but now it's coming back down. Sometimes as soon as that data comes out, you'll get a little bit of a volatility crush, which will fill those things. Small buy side. Still not filled. There we go, partial fill. Gonna come get the rest of these, or are you just gonna leave? What are we gonna do here? SPX looks like it almost ticked highs of day. There we go. There's the rest of them. go down to 80 for the sake of my DDBs. Need a little NVIDIA earnings leak before the bell to send this down about 5 points. SPX at 84 in the 84s. I've got the expected move marked at 82 and change, so we're just above that. Let's go ahead and settle back in range below 80. Abosh, you on the Mahomes with us? Chad, are you in? Anyone?
I'm in small.
I'm in big. I don't see a Bosch today. He must not be on here. Down in the 83s. Django, you're in? Thought maybe we'd get a little shimmy, a little price shimmy leading into the earnings announcement. Back above 85. Coming up on 4 minutes to go.
It wants new all-time highs.
And my one DTE just closed. That was a dumb trade. Dumb, dumb, dumb.
And it got it.
SPX at 86. If we're going up, I need above 88 to break even.
So just a reminder, after the bell, we get at 4:20 p.m. Eastern Time in NVIDIA's Q2 2026.
SPX just ticked a new all-time high. VIX is coming down pretty heavy. Down almost to lows of day. Lewuga hitting profits. One hit 85%. Nice. $90 seconds to go. SPX back to 85.
It looks like it likes 85.
I think it just needed to go tick a new all-time high before it sells off. I need 82 or lower on the downside. Less than a minute. Move, SPX. Make a move. Down in the 83 handle. Down in the 82 handle. Keep going. There you go. Keep her coming. Keep her coming down. Below 80. Below 80. Little mark down on the close. 2 seconds. A little mark up, but slightly profitable. Looks like 6481.39.
That's a winner.
6481.39. So it looks like somewhere around 1400-ish for mine. 20 lot. That'll work. All right, my friends, enjoy the NVIDIA earnings. I think it comes out in about 20 minutes. Tomorrow, Chad will be streaming live at the market open for day trading. We'll be back for Power Hour Live. Same time, same channel. Have a good night. Talk to you soon.